Here at Heritage Grove, we are committed to giving you multiple options to secure your financial information. With the Two-Factor Authenticator, it has never been easier. To get started, you will first need to download and install one of these two-factor authenticators from your App Store or Google Play Store. On your online banking account, click on the tab named Settings and Tools, then select Settings. Once you are in your settings, click on the Security tab. Under the Two-Factor Authentication section, you will see an option, Two-Factor Authentication App. To enable the authentication, click on the pencil icon, then select Enroll. A QR code will be provided to you. You will now open the Authenticator app that you chose to use and scan the QR code. You will then input the time-sensitive code provided into the box shown below. This will prompt you to verify via a separate 2FA method, which will be through text. This will be required if you do not have two-factor authentication required for each login enabled. Once you are enrolled, the on-off switch will no longer be grayed out, and you can toggle the switch to the on position. This will then make the 2FA option available when you are prompted for the two-step verification. The codes shown in your Authenticator app are time-sensitive, meaning that they consistently change after a certain amount of time. This makes it easier to access, as you don't require to be sent a notification of your code, but also more secure as there is no communication of security information. Now when you try to log in, you will see the 2FA app option as well as the other methods, as we will show you here. You can enter the code that appears on the app in the space provided. You will be able to access your accounts easily and securely. If you have any further questions, please call or text us at 503-588-0211.